You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think hills rock means? Maybe you go up the hill and see if you find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, you won't find one here. Look somewhere else. Gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Pick the marker. SMH.